Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young girl named Emma. Despite facing numerous challenges in her life, Emma possessed an unwavering spirit and a heart filled with kindness. One day, a severe storm ravaged the village, leaving the townspeople devastated and homeless. Amidst the chaos, Emma noticed an injured bird struggling to fly amidst the wreckage. Without hesitation, she gently picked up the bird and nursed it back to health. As the days passed, Emma realized that the bird she had saved was no ordinary creature. It possessed the ability to grant a single wish to the person who had shown it kindness in its time of need. Overwhelmed with the possibilities, Emma pondered her wish. She could have chosen wealth, fame, or anything her heart desired. However, her selfless nature guided her toward a different path. Emma wished for the storm-ravaged village to be rebuilt and for all its residents to find solace and happiness once more. Her wish echoed through the air, and suddenly a remarkable transformation took place. The villagers were filled with renewed hope and determination. They came together, working tirelessly day and night, rebuilding their homes and the community they cherished. Strangers became neighbors, sharing resources and supporting one another. Unity flourished and love triumphed over adversity. Inspired by Emma's act of selflessness, the villagers also started to show kindness to one another. They discovered the joy of lending a helping hand and offering support to those in need. The spirit of compassion and generosity permeated every aspect of their lives. As the village thrived and its people flourished, Emma realized the true power of her wish. It wasn't just the physical transformation of the village that made a difference, it was the transformation of the human spirit. The moral of the story is that true happiness and fulfillment come from selflessness and acts of kindness. By putting others' needs before our own, we can create a ripple effect of positive change that spreads far beyond what we could have ever imagined. Emma's inspiring story reminds us that the most meaningful wishes are those that benefit not just ourselves, but the entire community. It teaches us that our actions, no matter how small, have the power to inspire others, bring people together, and create a better world for everyone.